Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we are really excited to introduce you to the most affordable and smallest wireless microphone DJI has ever made, the DJI Mic Mini. This device combines premium features with an ultra-compact design, making it the perfect choice for creators. Weighing just 10 grams per transmitter, it's incredibly light, meaning you can carry it anywhere. This mic is your ultimate companion, whether you're shooting a vlog, conducting an interview, or streaming a live session. It's available in two sleek colors, Infinity Black for a classic, professional vibe, or Arctic White for a clean, modern look. It's stylish and fits right in with your setup. One important feature of the DJI Mic Mini is its compatibility with DJI's Osmo devices. The receiver also connects seamlessly to cameras, smartphones, and even laptops, offering versatile options for all your devices. Plus, it includes a plug-and-play USB-C adapter, making it even easier to connect to your mobile or laptop. When it comes to sound quality, it handles even the loudest sounds without any distortion. 2 levels of noise cancellation deliver outstanding audio in both quiet rooms and noisy environments. Specifically designed for creators, it offers reliable, clear audio without the hassle of post-editing. And you don't have to worry about battery life. The Mic Mini boasts an impressive 11.5 hours of battery life on the transmitters alone. The case provides an additional 3.5 full charges, giving you up to 48 hours of total battery life. If you're in a pinch, just pop the mic back in the case for 5 minutes, and you'll get a full hour of use. This ensures you're always ready to capture content without interruption. With a claimed 400-meter range, the Mic Mini outperforms even the DJI Mic 2 on paper. However, in real-world use, you might experience occasional cutouts if there are obstacles or if you're not directly facing the receiver. Unlike the Mic 2, the Mic Mini does not have internal storage. Instead, audio is recorded directly to your connected device, whether it's a camera, smartphone, or laptop. This simplicity is great for creators who prefer minimal setup and operation. The Mic Mini is perfect for on-the-go vlogging, professional interviews, or streaming and Zoom calls. Whether you're capturing content for social media, filming a podcast, or engaging in an online meeting, this mic is versatile and delivers exceptional results. The DJI Mic Mini was officially launched on November 26, 2024, and is now available for purchase through major retailers like Amazon and DJI's official store. Priced at approximately $169, it's an affordable alternative to the $349 DJI Mic 2 kit. Don't miss out, get yours today and start creating without limits. That's all for now. If you found this information useful, make sure to like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.